Hey, so we have this 11 Accord up on ramps and we're going to change the oil. First job, let's find the drain plug. And right behind it, the oil filter. Okay, so this is 17 millimeter. At least it's not underneath this undercover, which I have seen on some other models. I have some rags ready. I found it annoying how this cover hangs down. It's 11 inches long. Okay, we're down to a slow drip. Again, that's 17 millimeter. Okay, so now I'm going to put a little screen. Picked up this universal wrench from Harbor Freight, trying it out for the first time. This is kind of an exceptionally messy one. Make sure you wear long gloves. And we're going to put in 4.2 quarts of 0W20, full synthetic. Just a light film of oil on the filter gasket. About 3/4 of a turn. So we're going to put in just a hair over 4, watching the guide on the side. And there we are. I'll start it and run it briefly. Make sure the oil pressure light goes out. And then we'll let it settle and recheck the level. One thing we've got to do now is reset the engine oil life display. We have to reset that. You can see it's at 15%. And there's a procedure. Turn the ignition switch to the on position. Select reset knob repeatedly. Engine oil life sensor comes on in there. It does. It's already there. Press for 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It flashes. Release the button and then press it again for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there it is, 100%. We're done. The engine air filter and the cabin air filter. So locate the engine air filter in the engine compartment, and it's inside that large black box. Release the 3 metal locking tabs. Next, we will loosen the clamp on the large air inlet hose. On this one, it's a 5.5 millimeter screw. Let's very quickly loosen this clamp, and it'll tend to stick. Pull it out of the way. Unplug this sensor that's on the housing. There's some bits of leaves, straw, insects in there. We need to clean that out. Yeah, take note, you have to slip it into a couple of slots. There's 2 tabs over here. See it slip in there, over on the right side. Look at the dirt on this thing. And find the directional arrow. Make sure it's down. Go the other way. I know it went that way. There it is. And if you can kind of come down here and show me sliding it in. Okay, we're all done with our oil and air filter change out. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.